Still alive. Is everyone fine? I'm busy paying for my card and I'm starting to think about selling my organs.
Your dirty internal organs are worthless.
I won't lose. Today is a review of the popular plastic model 30 Mega Siemens RISHETTA Color A released by Bandai.
It's a new series designed by Fumikane, a leading artist who combines mecha and beautiful girls. I'm excited.
Calm down, lewd bird guy. I'll show you the finished product that I assembled right away.
Come on. It's so cute. Thighs upset my heart.
Me too. By the way, this is normal mode. She's armed and can also be in armed mode.
I don't know what you're fighting for, but Japanese girls tend to be armed.
I don't need male characters in anime and games. That is the answer of Japanese otaku.
Japanese otaku are uncomfortable. But I can understand the feeling of wanting to see only girls.
Let's return to the story of the kit. 3 facial expressions and 2 wrist parts are included.
The smile is very cute. I am confident that I will continue to love she for the rest of my life, to say the least.
Let's show you the armed mode.
She has ears and a tail.
It also has aggressive claws. I wonder what to fight.
It looks like a female ninja with a tight style. Get excited.
The nice thing about this series is that you can buy optional parts to your liking and create your own original character. It's popular and it's difficult to buy optional parts, but I was able to buy one hairstyle so I made it.
It's a red-haired ponytail. It changes the impression. Please tell me the price.
The main body is about $25 and the optional parts are about $5.
Cheap? As expected, Bandai.
You can also combine parts from the 30mm series that have already been released, so you can attach a lot of weapons. It's a good opportunity, so I'll compare it with the KOTOBUKIYA plastic model I assembled so far.
I see, the sizes are similar. KOTOBUKIYA's plastic model is about $100, so it's 4 times as much.
KOTOBUKIYA has a more delicate impression of details such as the face and clothes. I think each person has their own taste. Let's compare with another plastic model.
It's a comparison with a girl in uniform. Both have their own personality. I am a penguins full of love, so I can love both of them equally.
I'll show you a comparison image of the part that is more worrisome to the penguins full of love.
I wonder what? Wow? Wow? Wow?
Which do you prefer? I'm not going to explain it in detail so much, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye. See you again.